creativity is not something you can just walk into the studio like the lights and switch it on. I know that I'm gonna go in there today and come up with a good melody. No one can guarantee that. Now you can learn processes that help you stay creative and help you land on good ideas. And part of that is just always staying in the studio and always staying in the creative flow. We are going to take what we did in phase 1 and now expand it into a fully developed arrangement. And we're gonna take this groove, this complete groove that we've created, and we're gonna expand it out and talk about the different sections that make up a complete song. And we're gonna look at how we can build that within Logic and use a lot of the Logic tools that are presented for us to expand that out. We're gonna look at exploring more sounds, synths, exploring more bass lines, recording instruments, recording live instruments, further editing, and talk a little bit more about those things that'll help you develop this idea even further. And then the other objective of this part of the course, like in all these, is to learn more about Logic Pro. We're gonna dive deeper into some of the tools and aspects and features of Logic that help us to create an arrangement, and talk about even things that might not necessarily deal with arrangement, but are more of, a deeper level of understanding Logic so that you can explore all of your creative ideas. And our goal by the end of this part of the course is to have a fully developed arrangement that, I would call a full demo, a complete demo of the song.